Why do 80% of anglers miss out on the best fishing spots? Stay tuned to find out. South Carolina offers some of the best fishing in the country. Here are 4 must-visit lakes: Lake Murray, Santee Cooper, Lake Jocassee, and Lake Hartwell. Just plug these names into your GPS and you're set. Now let's talk fish. For largemouth bass, use plastic worms. Catfish love stinkbait, while crappie go crazy for minnows. For striped bass, try live shad. Avoid these common mistakes: using the wrong bait, fishing at the wrong time, and not being patient. Here are 4 pro tips to up your game. Fish during early morning or late afternoon. Use local bait. Check the weather. And vary your retrieval speed. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Info on Travel and leave a like. May the Lord always bless and keep you. Happy fishing!